To fix the DirectX 12 is not supported error in Frostpunk 2. Start by checking if DirectX 12 is installed on your computer. Do this by searching for DxDiag in the Windows search bar, opening the tool, and looking for the DirectX version under the System Information section. If it says DirectX 12, you're good to go. But if it says DirectX 11 or an earlier version, this may be the cause of the issue. To update DirectX, you'll need to update your Windows computer. Search for Update in the Windows search bar. Click on Check for Updates in the System settings, and then click on the Update button if any updates are available. Download and install the updates. Then restart your computer and try running the game again. If updating Windows doesn't fix the issue, try updating your graphics card drivers. To do this, open the Device Manager by searching for it in the Windows search bar, and look for the Display Adapters section. Note down the model of your graphics card, such as NVIDIA GeForce or AMD Radeon, as you'll need this information later. For NVIDIA graphics cards, download the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app, create an account, and use it to download the latest drivers. For AMD graphics cards, download the AMD Adrenalin software and use it to update your drivers. If you have an Intel graphics card, you may need to download the drivers manually from the Intel website. To manually download drivers, go to the website of your graphics card manufacturer. Select your product category and series, and download the latest driver. Install the driver and restart your computer. Then try running the game again. If none of these steps fix the issue, you may need to wait for the game developers to add support for other DirectX versions or consider upgrading your graphics card or computer.